Technical leader of Jamaica's track and field team, Maurice Wilson, is looking forward to the cadre of young upcoming male sprinters Jamaica has to offer, and he's of the view that they will do well.
On the men's side, I think I've been vindicated. I've been saying for many years that the men, I think it's a cycle. We now have a number of young men under the age of 24 that would have performed extremely well. Conroy Jones, Akeem Blake, Cajun Goldson, Jelani Walker. I think these young men are the future of our male sprinting.
What can this resurgence be credited to?
A number of coaches would have outlined that they felt that where the athletes were going after high school, the talented ones, were not necessarily the best place for them. And I think that a number of them have decided to work with different coaches. These coaches are well trained. They have the natural inclination to coach. It's like a part of our genes. And so we have seen the result of the performances. And I think we're only going to get better.
Wilson says that despite some good performances from the nation's athletes at the recently concluded national championships, the best is yet to come.
I still believe that the pandemic has created an effect, and just maybe about by next year, we should see the athletes evolving from that period. And between next year going into the Olympics, we will see the best of our Jamaican athletes.
The World Athletics Championships will run from July 15 to 24 in Eugene, Oregon, with live and exclusive coverage on TVJ, TVJ Sports Network, and OneSportsMedia.com, with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM.